Hello, my name is Mang. Today I'm going to talk about topic 2, farm animals. How many cows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cows. How many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ducks. How many cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cats. How many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dogs. How many bunny? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bunnies. Goodbye.